So the way you can advertise for free on the internet is by creating organic content. There's many platforms where you can actually get large engagement with creating free content. So for example, I was coaching recently a development agency and I told them to start creating content on Reddit. So Reddit, for example, has a lot of people that are looking for solving their problem. And if, for example, you're offering, let's say, a service-based business and you need to solve their problem, then you can start creating content on certain relevant subreddits and you will start getting attention from people that are looking to solve that problem. Another example would be, for example, Facebook. Let's say you're selling certain products in US and Canada. Facebook Marketplace is working very well, and you can actually use it as a legitimate shop or a business as well. For example, I work with a watch reseller, and what he does is he posts his stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and he's getting, let's say, 10, 20 leads a week for free coming from Facebook Marketplace. Another option, if you're selling items, Google has a beautiful platform called Google Shopping, which is completely free. You can go ahead and upload your products to Google Shopping, and again, you will start getting engagement for free. You can post again organic content on LinkedIn. You can post organic content on Twitter, on Facebook, on Threads. But here's a caveat: you need to understand where your target audience is and post on specific platforms where your audience is, because you don't want to post on a platform that is not used by your audience.